April. We're looking. You can see Davao City from here. Ayan guys. So visible masyado yung Samal Island and Talikod Island from here. This place is good for picnic. And as you can see, there's a group of students gathering, and also there's a prenup wedding. Very nice weather guys.